So good morning students. Today we are going to learn singular and plural nouns. What is meant by noun? Noun means name of a thing, person, animal, achievement, etc. Okay. So here also there are two types in nouns, two forms in nouns. The singular noun and a plural noun. What is meant by singular? Singular means one. Plural means many. Apple. Apple means one apple. So it is singular. Apples. What's in the apples? Many apples. So apples, plural form. So by adding yes, it becomes plural. So here we are going to learn how a noun is changed from singular to plural. What are the changes going to take place in nouns? So noun has different forms. Each form tells something about it. Okay. So singular noun shows one person or one thing, one animal, one idea, etc. Plural noun shows that there is more than one animal, more than one thing, etc. So noun has different forms. Each form tells different meaning about it, something about it. Okay. Singular nouns means it is a single one. There is one thing, one person, one animal, one thing, one place. Okay. Then plural means more than one. Okay. So singular means one place, one animal, one thing, one idea. Then plural means more than one. More so animals, places, likewise. Okay. So is there any difference in this sentence? First sentence is Alia has one dog. Second sentence is Alia has 3 dogs. Is there any difference? Yes. It is defined that Alia has one dog. Only one dog. One dog means whether it is singular or plural. It's singular. One dog. Okay, one dog. So what's the second sentence? Alia has 3 dogs. So 3 means more than 1. So here it is 3 dogs. Whether it is noun is in the sentence? Yes. Name of an animal. So dog is a noun. So singular noun means one dog. So plural noun means 3 dogs. So next we are going to see rules for changing noun from singular to plural. So before that I need to ask you, what is the vowel letter? Vowel. How many vowels are there? How many vowels are there? Yes, 5 vowels are there. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowels. Okay. What are the remaining letters in the alphabet known as? So those 5 letters is known as vowels. So there are other letters in the alphabet, right? So how will you call those letters? So those letters is known as consonants. How many letters are there in vowels? 5. What are they? Yes. A, E, I, O, U. So these 5 letters is known as vowel letter. So how many letters are there in English alphabet? There are 26 letters. How many letters? 26 letters. So this 5 comes under vowels. So the remaining 21 will comes under which form? What's the name of that? It's known as consonants. Okay. So the letters other than vowel is known as consonants. other than vowels is known as consonants. Okay. So next we are going to see the rules for changing noun from singular to plural. So for most of nouns we add the letter S to the end of the word to make them plural. So commonly we will add S to the word, convert it into plural. Converting a singular word into plural, we will simply add S to the word. Okay. That is television. Television is a singular word. So plural is televisions. Broom, brooms. Studio, studios. Okay. So for most of the nouns, we add the letter S to the end of the word to make them plural. Television, televisions. Broom, brooms. Studio, studios. So next one is, if the noun ends with CH, SH, X or O after a consonant, we add ES to the end of the word. So if a noun ends with SH, CH, X or O after a consonant, what is a consonant? Consonant means the words are the letters other than vowel is known as consonant. So consonants are letters that are not vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U are vowels. The letter other than vowel is known as consonant. So watch. In watch, what's the last letter? Last two letter is CH. Okay, the word ends with CH. So before C, before CH, what's the letter? Letter is T. Okay, T. Whether T is vowel or a consonant? Yeah, it's a consonant. So it is changed into watches. ES. We will add ES. So normally we will add S to a word to form plural. Okay. In next rule is, if the word ends with CH, SH, X or O. Okay. O. And it should be after a consonant. Consonant means the words, the letter other than vowels. For example, watch. What's the last two letters of watch? Yes, CH. Okay, CH. Before CH, what's the letter before CH? It's a T. Okay, T. T comes under vowel or consonant? T comes under consonant. Clash. 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 Here it ends with SH. So the plural form is CLASH. Yes, clashes. Mango. The last one is O. Letter is O. So the plural form is mangoes. Box. Boxes. Okay. And the third rule, if a noun ends with a letter Y after a consonant, we replace the Y with IES. Okay. So if the noun ends with Y, okay, if the noun ends with Y in the sense, we need to replace the Y and add IES. So family, families, fairy, fairies, cherry, cherries. Okay. So next one is, if the noun ends with letter F, the noun ends with letter F, we replace the F with VES. We need to replace the F with VES. Okay. So shelf, shelves, half, calves, half, halves. Okay. Next one is irregular verbs. Irregular nouns are nouns that do not follow any rule. We need to read and memorize them. So there are irregular noun also. Irregular noun means the noun which won't follow any rule. Okay. So this one you need to memorize yourself. Okay. For woman, it's woman. Foot, it's feet. Child, children. So what is the first rule? The first rule is, mostly we will add yes to the plural. Okay. So most noun we will add yes. So most noun we will add yes. Second one is, if it ends with CH, SH, X, O. If it ends with, the noun ends with CH, SH, X, O. If the noun ends with CH, SH, X, O after a consonant. Okay, after a consonant. Consonant means the letters other than vowels. Okay. So So here the noun ends with ch. Ch, okay? Ch. So before ch, what's the letter? It's t. The t is vowel or consonant? Yes, it's a consonant. So what you need to add? You need to add yes. So first check this ch. It's a consonant. So add yes. Okay, add yes. Third one is noun ending with y. Okay. After a consonant means you need to add I. Yes. Family. After this y. Families. Okay. So if it ends with y, that's a noun ends with y means noun ends with y. After a consonant means you need to add I. Yes. It's I. Yes. Family. Families. Okay. Next is noun end with f. If a noun end with f means you need to replace the f and add ves. So if a noun ends with ef means you need to replace the word, replace ef and add ves. So here half ends with f, replace the f and add ves. Halves, okay? So the last one is irregular nouns. So in irregular nouns means what? Irregular nouns means the nouns which won't follow grammatical rules. So you need to memorize this ones, okay? For woman, it's woman, okay? For woman, food, feet, child, children, person, people, okay? So for most of the nouns, we add letter s to the end of the word to make them plural. Television, televisions. Broom, brooms. Studio, studios. If the noun ends with sh, ch, x or o after a consonant, we add es at the end of the word. Consonants are letters that are not vowels, okay? So watch, watches. Clash, clashes. Mango, mangoes. Box, boxes. If a noun ends with a letter y after a consonant, we replace the y with ies at the end of the word. Family, families. Fairy, fairies. Cherry, cherries. If the noun ends with letter f, we replace the f and you need to write ves at the end of the word. Shelf, shelves. Calf, calves. Half, halves, okay? Irregular nouns are nouns that do not follow any rule. We need to read and memorize them. So for woman, it's woman, foot, feet, child, children, person, people. So today we learned singular and plural nouns, okay? So I hope you understand this topic. In the next class, we learn the next one is possessive noun, okay? So thank you children.